Today's lesson is multiplying and dividing with integers. Our goal is that we can multiply and divide with integers. Scenarios. If a football team loses 3 yards on 3 consecutive plays, how many yards have they lost total? So if you think about that, losing 3 yards would be represented as -3. And you're doing this 3 times, so you would have lost 9 yards. So you'd be back 9 yards or -9 yards. If the temperature drops 5 degrees each day for 4 days in a row, how much colder is it from when this pattern started? So it's dropping 5 degrees 4 days in a row. So it'd be 20 degrees colder, or -20 degrees from where it started. Rule: when you multiply or divide integers with a different sign, the product or quotient is negative. Remember, quotient is the answer when you're dividing. As always, pause as needed. Rewind if you need to listen to something again. Translate the following sentences. I am not hungry. I am hungry. I don't not like you. I like you. Double negative equals positive. Therefore, multiplying or dividing 2 negatives results in a positive product or quotient. Properties. Multiplication property of 0. The product of a number and 0 is 0. Examples: -4 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 times a is 0. The identity property of multiplication. The product of a number and the multiplicative identity, 1, is that number. -4 times 1 is -4. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times a is a. So I always remember that the property of 0, well, that one's easy because 0, it doesn't change. The identity property, so the identity does not change when it's multiplied by 1. Okay? Few hints there. While this might not be on the back of your notes, I would add this. So look at this property involving 0. So 0 times 8 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 0 times 8, 0 divided by 8 is 0. 0 divided by 0 is 0. Except that it's not. 0 divided by 0, if you do that, is an error. So here I have, is there a problem? Yes, there is a problem. There is a rule that you cannot divide by 0. So 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number equals 0. Any number divided by 0 is an error or can't be done. Okay? So that's important for you guys to know. All right. So while this was not actually in your notes on that last page, or on the back, if you write this, include this on your last page, that's important for you to know. If you have any questions, please bring them to class, and I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Until next time.